Hi, Jordan Hanna here with MarineMax Palm Beach, and I'm standing next to a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. This is one that we just got in stock today, and it's beautiful as you can see. This is Abaco blue paint, which really shines in the sun. It's almost a shame right now to show it in the overcast weather, but beautiful whole color offered by Whaler. As you can see, it's real easy getting in and out of this boat, where you have the dive door. There's a ladder that attaches there and a ladder in the back, so you got options for getting in and out of the boat. This one is equipped with Mercury's new V8 Veratos. These are naturally aspirated engines, and we've been getting incredible performance numbers on them. So give us a call or look on Boston Whaler's website. You can kind of see the comparisons between the options, but definitely a great option with them. Nice open cockpit on this boat, so if you're fishing, you got nice open space. But if you're entertaining and riding out to the spot or just cruising, you got a real comfortable aft, really forward-facing seat in the aft here that's got nice angled backrest, real nice sized bench seat to it. Alright, and then on the port side here, you also see this is probably the most versatile port side lounger on the market. You've got multiple adjustable positions where you can angle this. So if you wanted to lay out here, it'll connect with that aft bench seat. This port side seat here that's adjacent to the helm is on a power switch, so you can raise it up and down. You can spin it around 90 degrees and it'll actually connect with this too. So if you drop this down, that'll connect with the base of that seat. So there's probably 100 different ways you can configure this layout, just depending on what you're looking to do. But it's very comfortable. So you'll see you got a nice prep station here, huge live well. It's optional with a couple of different features here, but the way that we got this one set up, it's real nice counter space with a sink. Got a small cabin area with a couch that turns into a bed with a filler cushion, so it's a great spot to get out of the sun. If you got kids and they need to take a nap, it's also a good option for them. This boat is very well equipped. You can already see it's got a Ray Marine. That's a 16-inch Axiom screen. That's the latest and greatest from them. We've been real happy with their products, and this one is equipped with the joystick as well. So if you're docking or you're in real tight spots, the maneuverability and control you have on this boat is incredible. So definitely a really popular option for this boat. On the starboard side, you've got your head, and I wish you were here in person to see this boat, because open and closing the doors, anything you touch on this boat, you'll notice it's very structurally sound and stout. So moving up to the bow, and I'm sure you saw when you're in the head, there was a cushion that was laying there. That was the filler cushion here to turn this into a bed. But you've got a great spot up here that you can lay out. There's an elbow bracket mount table that fits there. You got your windlass in the bow, freshwater washdown. This is one of the most popular boats for us here in Palm Beach, and it's definitely one you should check out in person. So whenever you get a chance, you can give me a call on my cell, 561-427-9217. Thanks a lot and look forward to hearing back.